Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 50 Pro and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It does not really matter, just open the contact list, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner, and let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo assigned. So let's tap on add picture or simply tap on the circle, and here we'll be transferred to 3 different sections from which we can choose the picture. So the device photos, which is divided into 2 different options, and the camera and gallery. After tapping on the camera, your device will obviously open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. You can also choose the gallery, so obviously previously taken photos, for example, Google Photos, and there we've got our backed up files and the illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are available online. So so you can find something which is suitable for this person and apply it. Especially, it is a good idea, especially if you do not have the photo of this this person, and you could try to find something which resembles of him or her or whatever. Let me choose something from my own gallery, so let me tap on it, and something from the downloaded options, for example this one. Just tap on the photo, and here in this step we can change the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and tap on choose. As you can see, the photo has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner if you're happy with the results, of course. And as you can see, this is how our contact will look like with the photo assigned. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.